Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we are going to see a very useful fixes or a fix that would help you run through Photoshop. Many times it happens that when you open an image, some kind of error comes. Something like a JPEG marker is missing and it would not open your photo or a picture to edit on Photoshop. So how to address that problem, we'll see it on laptop directly. So let's go move to our laptop. So as you can see, I'll be opening a photo here or a picture in Photoshop. Just right click and open it, Adobe Photoshop. So once I do that, you can see very well it's saying could not complete your request because a SOFNn, DQT or DHT JPEG marker is missing before a JPEG SOS marker and all those things. So I don't understand what is this exact error. So what you can do is here a very simple thing. I just press OK, I minimize it, just go to that pic. In every Windows PC you will have a paint, open it up. So once you do that, don't do anything, just save, click the save button here and your problem is finished. Across here, once again I open this photo in Photoshop, open with Photoshop, and it opened. So the thing is, when you open your photo in Paint and save it, it probably saves it in a bitmap format and it is easily recognizable by Photoshop. Well, this is the fix that I found out. I just wanted to share with all of you. People said change the extension name or do many other things, but this thing really worked for me, and it is so easy. Just go to Paint, press the save button, that's it, finish, and open it in Photoshop. So friends, I hope this video was quite useful in fixing this problem of picture not opening in Photoshop. If you found this video useful, please like this video and share it across various platforms so that many people come to know of this fix. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching infotainment. See you again, see you soon. Thank you.